Okay, I've been working on this Yamaha Virago 750. It's an 81, and I found where the neutral switch is located. It is let's see. Hold on, I need a light. There it is. It's right there. Just a tester. Take the screw off because there's paint all over the screw. And get it in there. You get the ground end in there, right? And then you get your tester and you put this end on the positive side of any wire or your battery. It lights up, right? Now we're gonna put it in first gear. Put it back in neutral. Boom. So it's on the kickstand side. It's on the kickstand side of the bike. It's pretty much right next to the kickstand, right in front of the kickstand. Figuring out where I'm going to put the brake light and turn signals. So yeah. Okay, so I wired it up with a small little bulb that I found. So now just one turn of the key, light comes on. It's good.